God bless you all. Save our souls, please, Jesus. Stop the war and stop abusing childs and stop abusing each other. Please save us, Jesus. So here we come. I just made a plan for change the angle to be able to drive my Tesla coils by radio frequency noise. Yeah, I have a small high voltage module which is producing us Jesus. So I have a small module which is producing us, if I set it on that way via Schottky diodes, high voltage Schottky diodes, and earthing the positive side after rectifying earth, it is producing us high voltage, really high voltage. So let's sparking that voltage and picking up with a small coil, just a few turns, 2-3 turns, like on the Tesla coil, Tesla tower. Take a potentiometer and set the voltage for the base of an NPN high frequency NPN bipolar transistor. Should put a lamp in series with the supply voltage to automatically limit the current. And so totem pole, if you wish, and high frequency MOSFET or bipolar NPN transistor or N-channel MOSFET. I prefer to use at the first time on much lower voltages, like 12 volts, 20 volts. And there is the primary coil of my Tesla coil, Tesla tower, and secondary. So there are 2 or 3 earth rods, should be galvanic separated into the earth with a few meters of distance. So should distancing the earth rods, and build the same in 180 degrees. You can use the same circuit, so make parallel the 2 primary coils, yeah, easily with some cables. And the second Tesla tower is, as you can read it, as I said, 180 degrees in phase and should pulsing. So if you take the driver circuit and if you put the second primary, so the other primary of the second Tesla tower, then you should put also an interrupter MOSFET, because we need only pulsing. The trick is when you drive the Tesla tower on resonance or nearly resonance, or better said, drive the Tesla coil with all the harmonic frequencies of the resonance frequency, with all the harmonics of the resonance frequency, so that I find so I mean the best way would be that, because all the spark gaps, when you see in YouTube all those Tesla tower concepts, the spark gap is producing this noise. The spark gap is giving the pulse, the noise pulses. So a wide range of unlimited frequencies, yeah, almost unlimited noise. That is a noise. So like that we can use that noise, but only with driven by 20 milliamps, a small module, and you can use that spark noise picking up and drive the NPN transistor Darlington. So switching the MOSFET, you can use a totem pole here, and instead of the top load, as you see, I have bifilar pancake coils. Change the angle, so like that you can see it better. Bifilar pancake coils from Nikola Tesla, of course. So normally here should be a top load and a metal ball, but that is energy wasting. So I just put the top end of the secondary coil of the Tesla tower onto the middle of the bifilar pancake coil, and after that we can use that output. But my goal is to use that bifilar pancake coil as so for the load, as picking up coil, pickup coil for the output, because the big energy, as I will pulse that secondary, I will just pulse that symmetrical tower, there will be produced a lot of energy, static energy, that will be the real power. So I have to just take this and let's see how it works. And there is a plate with three layers. As you see, it's like a Tesla capacitor. I should grounding here down, and it will act as an radiant energy collector plate, and that is also a good trick, because the big static voltage, like I don't know, a few hundred of thousands volts, let's say a third million volt, or I don't know, we have to check this. So the pulsing, the most important part of the system is the pulsing opposite phase, so 180 degrees in phase, pulsing back this first stage, the primary side first side, second side. It's totally symmetrical build up, and yeah, I have to tune it. You can tune it, and instead of playing with circuits, I want to build this, and yeah, it is. So my English is not the best, but I hope you have understood it, and yeah, why not? If we can, then do it. So save us, Jesus, save all the creations from the fucking hell, please.